Welcome back, folks, to the Outdoor Wilderness Wildlife Adventures, and I'm your host, Hikaloo. So I have a cutting board, and I'm going to give a demonstration of how this wood goes right up with most likely one strike. I have a Ferrocerium Rod with a striker. It's a little windy, but I'm just going to give you a small demonstration. This is what you do with the shavings. You could just cut some shavings off like this, or you could do it with thumb or the back of the knife. Make some really fine shavings. And this is premium Fatwood, folks. It doesn't get any better than this. Some from another piece of really serious premium Fatwood and take some shavings off. This is a perfect knife for it, to get the shavings off. See that how nice it comes right off too. And this is premium Fatwood, folks. Doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. This little piece off there because it's kind of slowing me down. Now we can go straight across. Right on the edge, you want to get it like on a corner on the edge, and it comes right off nice and easy. And I believe I got enough shavings to give you a little demonstration. That's enough, I believe. But you can see how beautiful and fluffy, and this smells really good. So what I'm going to do is just use the Ferrocerium Rod with a striker. Usually this should go up right. Got to do the other side. Right there, right up, folks. That's how it just lights right up. Okay, it's pretty windy out here, so I'm going to just let it burn for a minute to show you how long this stays lit. To work with you getting a fire lit. So it stays lit long enough so you could throw twigs and branches and eventually throw some logs and build your fire. So this is what it's about, folks, right here. That's just shavings from a piece of Fatwood. And this is going to be one of my necklaces that I'm making, this piece right here. So just to show you how this stuff takes right up. I'll turn that off now. Make sure these ambers are all out. It's windy. This is completely out now. Just want to give you that demonstration, folks. This is the Outdoor Wilderness Wildlife Adventures, and I'm your host, Hikaloo. Be safe.